how to use your vanilla gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use a vanilla gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy. You can easily select your credit or debit card as a payment method on the particular merchant that you want to make a purchase from, and then do not select the option gift card. You want to select credit or debit card. For example, if you want to purchase on Amazon, right? If you want to make a purchase on Amazon, then what you want to do is on the payment method, you can head into payment methods. I'll just show you right here. If you're trying to make a purchase, you can head directly into your payment methods. However, here you can see your manage gift card balance. You don't want to head into gift cards option. You want to head into your payments option, and then you want to tap on add a payment method, and then you want to tap on add a credit or debit card on any website that you want to make a purchase from if it accepts the vanilla gift card here. And then you want to enter in your card details, expiry date, security code, and you want to enter your name and billing address and continue, and you'll be able to use your vanilla Visa gift card online. So this way you can use a vanilla gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.